I have been using the double FX robot for a few months now, and I have to say, I am extremely impressed with the result. This is by far one of the best Forex robots I have ever used. Firstly, the installation process was very easy and straightforward. I had no issue getting the robots up and running on my MT4 platform. Once I had it installed, I immediately noticed an improvement in my trading results. The double FX robot is incredibly accurate and reliable. I use advanced algorithms to analyze market trends and make trends automatically. One of the things I love about the double FX robot is that it's completely hand off. I don't have to spend hours analyzing the market or manually entering trades. The robots take care of everything for me, which frees up my time to focus on other things. Overall, I highly recommend the double FX robot to anyone who is looking to make consistent profits in the forex market. It is easy to use, reliable, and has helped me to achieve financial freedom through passive income. Try it out for yourself and see the result.